What's up, Hennessy fans? My name's Anthony, and today we're going to be taking a look at this last stand Hennessy Mammoth 1000. As we all know, the TRX was a born legend as soon as it was released from the Dodge dealerships. With that factory V8 supercharged Hellcat engine that comes in these TRXs, made it an instant legend. Over 700 horsepower in a big truck like this from the factory, super badass. Not to mention its off-road and Baja capabilities. This thing can rip around through the dunes, it can rip around through the dirt, take you on your ranch where you need to go, and it's extremely capable on and off the road. That being said, this is absolutely not your ordinary TRX from the Dodge dealership. It came to Hennessy and we gave it this full special treatment to turn it into a last stand Mammoth 1000. That includes, of course, your upgraded Supercharger, the biggest and baddest around. And that's paired with upgraded pulleys, both upper and lower, belts, spark plugs, and all supporting components needed to make sure it runs as well and as nicely as we want it to with that 1,000 horsepower. So that's what you're getting under the hood, but then of course we do some visual and aesthetic modifications as well. From what you can see here, you get your front Mammoth 1000 bumper, as well as custom Hennessy wheels, tires, running boards, suspension, and the rear bumper as well. Now that we're sitting inside the vehicle, as you can see, not a ton changes from us, but we do still like to put our little Hennessy touch on it. You get your Hennessy embroidered headrests, as well as your serial number plaque on the glove box, and then we partnered with WeatherTech to build some Hennessy WeatherTech floor mats. This particular unit, being a last stand Mammoth 1000, it gets our special graphics. As you can see here, it gets the last stand badge incorporated into the paint color with this vinyl overhaul and the incorporated Hennessy script along the bedside. The truck also gets the rest of our standard badging. That includes the Mammoth 1000 on the door here, as well as the Hennessy Classic script along the windshield banner. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like and subscribe, and remember, if you are interested in upgrading your own TRX, please give us a ring. We'd be more than happy to price it out for you and we'll get you upgraded.
Hennessy is awesome, and tuner school is awesome.